Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to hide channels in Slack. So first, if you're saying that you want to hide it like this, you just need to click on the down arrow right here and click on any other channel or something here. So it will basically hide all the channels, but if you want only a single one to be hidden, what you want to do is click on that channel, click on this one, the channel name on top, then click on settings, and as you can see here, there's an option for archive channel for everyone. So you want to click on that. So you could just read this if you want. So I'm just gonna click on this, and boom, the channel is gone right here. But you could of course bring it back. So if you want to archive it, just need to click on the channels right here, go to manage, browse channels, and set this one to archive. Then click on it, click on this, go to settings again, and click on unarchive this channel. Then boom, now it's back. And that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.